there, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to do a little garden tour update because it is gorgeous behind me. Like I said in our last tour, not everything is exactly how it should be, but I just wanted to give you guys an update because stuff has been so beautiful. Some look amazing, you can see the differences, and some look stressed, and I'll show you that. But welcome. If you guys are new, I'm Holly and my husband Sebastian is in the background somewhere, but let me show you all the stuff close up. Okay guys, so here is the front of our house area walking and leading up to our vegetable garden. So if we go this way, this is our beautiful new bed this year. It has outdone itself beyond what I could have even imagined. So these are all proven winners plants from our nursery. This is the blue sky lobelia, and I thought it would not last the summer. I just thought it would dry up and not do well. We're getting a little bit of dry in here, but it looks so beautiful. Other than that, we have Mini Vista White, Paint the Town, Dianthus. I want to put another one right there because I did not expect that to bloom through the summer either. I thought it would be done in spring, and I am just loving that. It's so beautiful. This has been gorgeous. The sedum just did its own thing, filled around the pot, blew my mind. Evolvias. And you can see the campfire marshmallow bidens. Ageratum is right there. And I think the reason this looks as good as it does because we have this area in front of the tropical area on an automatic sprinkler. It has made such a difference. I will show you compared to our other side of the garden that's not on it. It is like night and day in the plants. Loving that. And if we turn this way, Sebastian just has cleaned up the lawn for us, made it all fresh and nice. This has been beautiful. We're just going into a lull. These are the sparkling amethysts, and they were like solid flowers. I might have some pictures. Still beautiful, but I will tell you, I was hesitant. I wanted to put them in. They usually for us have a lot of greenery and not a lot of blooms during the high heat and the high summer, but and the humidity because we get so much humidity. This summer, maybe because they're in the ground, they have bloomed so much. I wish these were in bloom for you too. These are the At Last roses. They just had some blooms on them, but like I said, I might have a picture. And we have some of the salvia in the back, and this is so gorgeous. It's little yet because it's new. Stand By Me clematis. Let's see if I can. Look how cute and sweet that is. So sweet. So I've been loving this area. It's been like a solid mass, so it hasn't had hardly any weeds. This has been beautiful, but to be honest, it gets baked all day long, and I think the sprinkler is missing it, so we need to redo that because it hasn't had a lot of blooms. It's been frying up a little bit. And just to be honest, because it has been so hot, we have not been diligent about our water-soluble fertilizer. So I'll show you, most of the plants are kind of in their lull right now where they just need that supercharge of fertilizer as well as looking a little spindly. So you guys will see that what difference the fertilizer makes, and it makes such a difference. Loving this area. We might trim some of this back. We have the snowdrift, baptisia. These are gorgeous. This is the grape lantana. I love this one. And then we have blue sky. We did just get a rainstorm, so stuff is looking kind of flat right now, but that has been really pretty. And then this, oh my gosh, we have been loving this. Sorry for my shadow. I did not expect this to be so gorgeous. The way the cleome and the sun patience are just like framing themselves. Isn't that beautiful? We were saying that we would love to do this in a expanded version next year. So pretty. Persimmon on each side, looking a little scraggly just because it needs the water-soluble fertilizer, but still beautiful. And then we have yellow cannas on the side that the deer have been munching on, as well as, look at my beautiful mandevilla. The deer just came and chomped like severely on it, but that's okay. We go through seasons of it. That's the auto sprinkler. Sebastian has that set up and has been making such a difference. These are just pots that we have, like hanging baskets we set here because they were on the sprinkler. I think they got some munching on from the deer, but they're just a little tired. They need some water-soluble fertilizer. And then I just set these sedum here, and look at, they rooted in, but they look gorgeous how green they are. Look at that. So I still need to clean this area up. This is the Waikiki Beach calicasia, I think. It is gorgeous. It's a little tattered right now just from the sun and the rainstorm, but I love it. And then some of the Pineapple lilies are growing. They haven't bloomed yet. I'm waiting on them. So this is like fix me area still, but the front is doing pretty good. That needs to be, we got some weeds that we just need to work on, but the deer came through here and trampled this area, which is kind of a bummer. So between needing water-soluble fertilizer and the deer, it just got kind of sad, but still beautiful. But let me show you guys, look at these coffee cups. Oh my goodness. I've never had coffee cups in the ground and on an automatic sprinkler to see how big they can get. Like, look at this. Oh, it's got water in. So they are known for tipping out and tipping the water out. Look at that. It's like bigger than my face. It's huge. Here's my hand. I love it. They're just so gorgeous. So we have Bermuda Beach back there. Like I said, they all need some fertilizer. We had persimmon here, the Hoopla Vivid Orchid, and then Impatiens, some cannas, and some daylilies. And then here, oh my goodness, I wish this was full of buds. I might have pictures. It just cycled out, but oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? I think it's the something cloud. Hardy hibiscus, summerific. So pretty. And then come around here and the cleome and the Waikiki beech and some more pineapple lily. Love this plant. There's a palm there and then some elephant ear. I need to clean the bird bath out and I need to weed in the tropical area, but you know, that's life. But we have been loving the cleome. I cannot believe how tough it is. It's unbelievable. It is like, doesn't need anything from us. It's so tough. I'll turn around here. This is that gorgeous flower bed that we had with the cleome and the Hoopla Vivid Orchid. They're just looking a little spindly, so forgive their sadness for right now. But they were in such a beautiful mass. They just need some fertilizer. And then the cleome, Sebastian wants to trim these back. Those seem fine, but these are starting to split. We had one branch split off from the rain because we have been getting quite a bit of rain now, and it's starting to split down there. So a little sad, but we have such a long growing season. We kind of have to trim a lot of our stuff. Otherwise, it just won't make it into fall, but still very beautiful. A lot of stuff here and there we need to work on, but very pretty. And we have just been enjoying the abundance and the fullness because we've never had stuff on auto sprinkler in our flower beds, and you can just see the difference. So this stuff is all watered by that automatic sprinkler. If we turn over here in front of the garden, it's pretty, but it's nowhere near the fullness as over there. So I'll give you guys, this was just weeded. We had a sweet friend come and help us weed that works for the nursery, and she cleaned this all up. So you can see, I'll just give you a big overview of it. I might come back if I still have battery life and show you that. And then we need to keep weeding through here, but you can just see stuff looks tired. We need to groom that up. We need to fertilize for sure. Here it needs to be weeded, but look at these. I'll explain these in a second. They're so pretty. Okay, here's our patio I wanted to show you really quick. It is gorgeous. So real quick, these are coffee cups that are in here. Whoop, there's the water that comes out of it. Canna lilies. We have Bermuda Beach on this side, persimmon on the other side, and tropical sunrise. Need to fertilize it. So this is what a classic I need to fertilize case scenario looks like. You get like the woody, sticky, spindly look without blooms, and then you get this under part here. So this we're going to trim, cut all this off, and then fertilize, and it'll bush out new growth from all these stems, kind of like that. So if your plants are like that, don't be sad. They get weary when they get just so much heat and humidity. That we'll just take care of those and they'll be fresh again. Lots of weeds to deal with, but there's the front of the planter. This is the James Bertenia. You can see it needs fertilizer because it's just got a few blooms. And then, like I said, everything needs fertilizer. There's the persimmon, which is gorgeous. It just got weighed down from the rain and needs some fertilizer, but beautiful with that matching color. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to swing back over here by the flower bed in front of the garden. First of all, look at this Agastache, however you say it. It is so pretty. This is Queen meant to be. Oh, I may just have been loving this. So is he. Look at I love the color so much and how it looks. It's been beautiful, but I just wanted to show you guys an update on this. These are the Dwarf Saharia Raspberry Ripple Zinnias. I put them in our garden. That's to block the deer. So that's what all that stuff is. We put some better wire and some stuff to block the deer. But I put them in the flower bed, which we'll go see in a second in a video. And they looked like sticks, like sad, sad sticks. And then a couple nights later, I stuck them right here in the landscape. Oh my goodness. I could not love them anymore. They are so happy, so gorgeous, just like bulletproof. They're back there. They kind of go there and over there. But I told Sebastian when I first planted them, I need to come out and prune them because they were just little sticks and I never got to it. And then they started looking really bushy like this. And I thought, I didn't prune them. What happened? They all leaned over. This is actually the top of the plant. And when they leaned over, they started making buds and flowers and part of the greenery up. And they made like a side bush that goes up. And I thought, this is the coolest thing ever. Like, even if you miss pruning, it just kind of bushes out on its own on the side. But so, so pretty. I highly recommend these. We had them at our nursery this year. It's the first time trying them, but I love them for the landscape. So pretty. Okay, so here we're in the garden. You can see this is an update. Remember those little sticks? Here's the perfectly pink angelonia, and then these were the individual zinnias I planted, but look at that. I just can't believe how they bushed out on their own. I'm amazed. So pretty. Here's the other side. It got a little more wild, but so pretty. This is in full sun, but I just wanted to show you guys this part really quick. This is on the other side of our vegetable beds, and I put Augusta lavender in here, some of the same impatiens, which are getting a little crowded out, and the pink lemonade. Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. Look at that. It has bushed out so beautifully. Like I said, some of the plants got a little crowded out, but we've just been enjoying this so, so much. And I wanted to show you real quick in front of our vegetable garden, I stuck in these dahlias that were from seed, which I didn't think are that great. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I did. It's my favorite part of the garden this year. They just have been producing and producing, and I haven't staked them. I just kind of let them be, which works. And they are just like, they're just the most colorful spot. Let me swing over here. These got a little weighed down by that last rain we just had. They have just been beautiful, but the bees have been on here like 4 to 6 bees at a time. Like, and they sleep like a hotel. They sleep on there. We call it a little hotel. They're just beautiful. So highly recommend. Like I said, I just stuck the ones from seed in here. I had them as plants from our nursery. So gorgeous. I just love it. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope this blessed you guys so, so much, and this was enjoyable. And just to see an update, it was very fun to show you guys. It's just been beautiful. Like I said, there's always work to do and you don't get everything done, but at least we can show you what we have done and where it's at in the middle of it. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We will show you the other flower beds sometime, hopefully in an update, but it was fun just to get to show you guys this. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon it all. It's been a while since we stumbled out, since you dragged me out from the dark. Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself to try. And